Hello guys, today I will show you how to use highcharts library in your Angular projects. So let's just make a new Angular project. Let's open command prompt. Let me show you what Angular version I'm using. See, I am using Angular 17, so this will work in Angular 18, 19 and in the previous version also, but with a little bit of change. So now let's start by making a new Angular project. Highchart demo. Highchart demo will be the name of the project. In the meanwhile, we can open highcharts.com and see what's its in documentation. Go to get started, go to Angular. Okay, our project has been initialized successfully. Let's open our project in the VS Code. This is our newly created project. Let's open app folder, app.component. Let's first run this. We can run this by using ng-serve command. Okay, our project is running. Let's see. Localhost. See, this is our newly created project, highchart demo. Let's open the project, delete everything in app.component.html. We don't need it. Let's just write something. Yeah, this is our project. Now let's start like how to add highcharts library in our project. Let's go to the documentation again. Okay, we need to install this. We have to use this command. We can stop the project and use the command. After that, we need to use this command. Okay, so both are installed. So the library is installed in our project. Now what we have to do is, first of all, we have to import the highcharts module in the component in which we want to use it. So this is the component app component, main component where we are going to use it. If you have another components, then you can import it, import the highchart module in the other components as well, and then use it as I'm going to show now. Right, highchart module. Yes, import this one. Then after that, what you need to do is that you need to import highchart. Import asterisk as highcharts from highcharts. Okay. Then what we need to do is that inside the app component, we need to initialize the variable, need to create the variable for the highcharts. After that, we need to create the chart options that we will use to render the chart. What type of chart we need, that we need to render through it. So like let's choose a chart. Okay, let's go with this line chart. Click on code, copy this up to here, copy it. Now inside this we need to create a chart option, so let's name it line chart option. Line chart options. It will be of highchart options. Highcharts dot options. Now here paste that code. We don't need this. We are getting some error here, but That is because we have to specify what kind of data is it, what type of chart it is going to represent. So here we need to write type line. See, this error is gone. Same we need to write in the other series data. Now the error is gone. Now our chart options is ready. Now what we need to do is that we need to render it in the component. So for that we need to write high chart hyphen chart, and inside this we need to set attributes high charts high charts. Okay, now we need to set the chart options is equal to what we named it there, it's line chart options. Okay, so this is ready. Now just save it and run it. Ng serve, yes. Okay, our app is running. Let's go and see. Yeah, you can see that the line chart is rendering here, and we have just used the high chart library to create a line chart here. Same as that, if you want to create any other kind of chart, then you can do the same process. Like suppose I want to create a pie chart. Okay, where's the chart? Okay, let's create this one. Same process, go to the code, copy from here up to here, copy it. Then what we need to do here is in the ts file go again, and now we need to create another chart option for the pie chart. Pie chart options highcharts dot options. Now just paste it. What is this error? Okay, it doesn't accept null, it accepts undefined. Okay, we can put undefined. Now here also series has some error, which is again due to the type. We have not specified the type in the series. So we can define the type here. Type pie. Okay, this error is on. What is this error? Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. Okay, now the error is gone. Now if we want to render this new pie chart, what we need to do, just copy this, paste it, and change the chart options. Now let's see the same pie chart is being drawn here, and we can see it's working. So this is the way in which we can use the high charts library in any Angular project. Just you need to do is that you need to correctly create the chart options and render it in the component. This way you can plot any kind of graph or any kind of chart into your Angular project. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned for more.